a bit of a mess. I've been wearing it in a bun a lot and it's kind of like, I think, damaging it. But I got my ears done, so I've been trying to protect the helix. But anyways, not the point of this video. So I finally got my spring Alltrue box. This is what it looks like. Now, before I open it, I feel like we need to discuss Alltrue. So I don't know if you guys have heard, but there was a whole thing with Alltrue over like April, May. So basically, from my understanding, they filed for bankruptcy and didn't tell anyone. Just kind of like we're waiting, like where are the boxes, stuff like that. I finally realized it when I started researching it because it was like end of May, early June, and I was like, wow, like why haven't I gotten that yet? So I looked into it and apparently that happened. There's a whole thing about them not paying their like people that give them stuff for the boxes or sell them stuff for the boxes. But apparently they did get taken over with new owners. So that's how I got this box, and they're working on summer boxes. So I'm very interested to know if they're going to go ahead and like pay the people that were still owed by the company, because I do really like this box and I like the idea, but I don't know that I can renew it. It was too late to get my money back from my credit card company at this point for this year, but I don't know if I can renew it again unless I find out whether or not they're giving money back to those people. Like, I know it's technically not the new owner's responsibility, I guess, but like it's the company as a whole. But yeah, so disclaimer, like there was like a whole scandal. I couldn't get money back for these, so we're gonna go ahead and do them anyways because I already have them. So without further ado, let's go ahead and get into it. So I already showed you guys, it's like a nice purpley color with flowers. Comes with their like magazine. It's got some like recipes and different stuff like that in it. Let's open this up. So first thing in here is, let me see, I honestly barely remember what I have. Okay, so this is from Small Hours. It is a set of 2 silicone food storage. So let me open this up. Let's see. This is kind of going to be a surprise for me as well because this took like so long to get. Okay, so it has these. They're very thick, which is interesting. I have some of these, but the ones that I have are very thin. So these are actually pretty cool. They're like a really thick silicone, which I actually kind of like these better. They seem like better quality than the others. But yeah, so that's what's in here. And let me pop that in. So sustainable, beautiful, high quality homewares is what this brand does. They're silicone, BPA, BPS free, dishwasher safe, and they're microwave safe. So that's kind of cool that you can microwave those. Let me see. Next up in here is these scrunchies from Ashiana, London. They're apparently handmade accessories, and they are machine washable. Ashiana London is a female-owned and managed business, and we have made these scrunchies in female-owned factory with the highest ethical standards. So yeah, I got these 2 scrunchies. I feel like these will be really nice for fall, and also with the way my hair is looking, I need some more scrunchies to put it up with instead of hair ties. So you have these here. Next up in here, okay, I forgot I got this. This is from Earth Harbor. It's a hair revival elixir, which I need right now. It is Sunstone. So let me open it up. I really like Earth Harbor, so I'm interested to try another thing of theirs. Let me see. Fortified, nourish, and revive dull or damaged hair using superfood nutrition of seaweed and coconuts, anti-pollution properties of jasmine and calendula flowers, and ultra rejuvenation of carrot seed and jojoba oils. When massaged into your scalp, Sunstone promotes a flow of positive energy to hair follicles. She is the perfect herbal tonic for tackling dry scalp, scraggly ends, and worn strands. a ray of sunshine in your hair care ritual that was created for all hair types in mind. With all hair types in mind. So I'm very excited to try this. So far, I like everything I've gotten from them. The only thing that I don't necessarily like is something I can't really use. And that's like a face mask thing, and it's just because it has aloe in it, I just can't use it. But I'm very excited to try this. I really like their toner and their marina oil, so I'm very excited for this one. Next up in here, I have a lip treatment kit. It's buttercream hydrating lip mask. Okay. There's a vanilla lip exfoliator and a buttercream hydrating lip mask in here. So let's pop this open and see. Oh, and please ignore my nails. I don't know how well you guys can see them, if you can just see I have white nails or if you can actually see them, but let's pretend they're good. I did them myself and I do a good job. Okay, so we've got these cool little things. I love little glass containers like this also because you can like reuse them. But here it is. Let's see what it smells like. It smells really good. This is the exfoliator, and then this one is the mask. They smell delicious. Like, I'm very excited for these. These are definitely going to be reviewed on my blog, so be looking out for that. Next up in here, I have Sandbar Nomad. It is a eyeshadow palette. It's very pretty. It's got like all of these colorings, and so it looks like it has, it has very neutral shades in here, which I feel like this will be great for fall. So, I mean, I guess it's okay that the box waited until almost fall to come in that case, but I don't know how well you guys can see them, but these will be on my blog as well, so be looking for those. And I think I'm down to the last item in here, which this is one that I'm very excited about, and it makes me feel quite old. Oh, don't know if you can hear that, but it's starting to storm here. Okay. So this last thing I have in here is a 10-inch ceramic non-stick dual handle frying pan. It is high performance multi-layer coating, aluminum core for heat conductivity, easy to clean ceramic non-stick surface, Aquatech water-based non-stick coating, made without PFOA and PTFE, and oven safe up to 425 Fahrenheit. Suitable for gas, electric, ceramic, halogen, and induction cooktops. Ceramic non-stick coating uses less oil and butter to promote healthier cooking. Naturally sustainable ceramic coating is good for you and the environment. Constructed with heavy gauge aluminum for reinforced durability. So I'm very excited about this. I am getting old and I really like getting new pans and things, and I don't have to wash them as often if I have more, I'm not gonna lie. So it says to wash and warm water before use, don't soak for excessive periods. It does recommend hand washing for longevity. Don't microwave, avoid using steel wool and other harsh items. It says to avoid using metal utensils to avoid scratching. Okay. So I'm very excited for this, and it's also a really pretty color. But yeah, that is the last thing in here. I'm very excited for all the things. I am still a little bit concerned about whether or not these companies got paid. So I doubt Alltrue will ever see this, but if you guys do see this, please pay the companies back, because I love the idea of the box, but if they don't get paid back, then it doesn't really work. But that is all. I do have a summer one coming. I don't know what's going to be in that one at all. So that one will be a complete surprise because they don't have time to do customization because of everything. So that one should be coming within the next month or two. I don't know how long it'll take, but very excited for that. And yeah, that is everything that I got this time. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe. And let me know what other kind of videos you guys would like to see. And I will see you guys later. Bye guys!